Okay, I'm Colonel Boparai. I'm 75 years of age, and at this age we have problems, yes, and that is UTI, prostate enlarged. For last 1.5 years, I've been having a lot of this problem. It had become very serious. I visited so many urologists, but I didn't find convincing replies from them. And I kept on looking for someone who could really, who was a master in it, and I was recommended, and I came to Dr. Ashish, whom I met twice, and finally, since I had infection, he said, no, let the infection be over. He gave me some medicines, and I got injections at home, and finally, I got admitted the moment the infection was clear. When I came to Dr. Saab, I said, I want the thing to be done at the earliest. He said, no, we'll do it after Diwali. I said, no, I can't wait for Diwali because that was 4 days from my discharge from hospital. I said, I want it now, I can come tomorrow. So he said, okay, give me one more day. After 2 days, you come, I'll do it. So a second day, I came over here. I was put through the normal procedure of operations. In about 2 hours, the surgery was over and I was in the bed where I was told not to move. No movement up or down. I was only lying till evening. The sister said no movement at all. I said, no, I've got problem. I want to sit. So I was not permitted, rightly done by her. And by evening, I was a little free to move, and I found the staff was so helpful. Day and night they worked and gave me everything that I wanted, and certainly it was consolation by them that I could bear this thing all by myself, all alone over here without my family being permitted to stay. But that was very good. After about 10 days or 15 days, I came again and it was checked up and it was found that everything is fine. I have no problems today. I started with a kidney infection which we started treating, and I have today no infection of kidney, no infection of the urinary tract, and I have no pains, nothing. Today we've just done a urometry test, and here the report is there. Here the report is there. The rate at which the flow of urine is 53 mLs per second. I think that is, for a person like me, is more than, I think, a boy of 25, 26 years. So that's the rate of flow. So my system, I'm very comfortable, very confident that now I'll have no problems in future. For this, he's responsible. Dr. Ashish has given me time. He's done it, and the results are in front of you. I would say that this is a place where you should come for any such treatment, because you have a doctor who's very qualified, highly qualified. Second, his staff who's very cooperative, very helpful. You don't even feel that you are in a hospital, you're as if you're in a home. So I would recommend everyone to come over here. If they require, they must come for urologist help. They should come over here to this clinic. Thank you. The second best part in his clinic was that the staff was very nice, very cooperative, very helpful. I was just on the bed and I wanted to move, but I was told not to move even an inch. But ultimately by evening after the surgery, I could move, and the staff over here, 24 hours in the night, in the day, they were very good, very helpful to me, and I think very cooperating. I've been to so many hospitals, but the best. I didn't go to an army hospital. I didn't go anywhere. I have come to the best place. That's what it is. Otherwise, I could have done the same thing without any cost over there. So I'm very grateful to Ashish. Thanks a lot.